All right, at the end of the day, you're gonna wanna flush your pump out. We're gonna do the exact opposite of what we did when we primed it. We're gonna flush it out with clean solvent or water, depending on what you're using. We're gonna come over here, we have pressure on our regulators. We wanna kill the pressure to our pump. You can either shut this main valve here or just turn it all the way off like this. We're gonna hold our drain tube. I like to hold it down in the water because there will be a little bit of pressure release here. We're gonna open this valve here to release that. Okay, now we have no pressure anywhere. I'm gonna pick my pickup tube out of the paint. I'm gonna let it just drain out. I like to take a rag and wipe it off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn up the pump and let it stroke a couple of times without solvent. That was a little extra violent, but you get the idea. I like to give it an air chop, one to kind of create a gap between the paint and the solvent, so once I feel the air coming through, if I'm wanting to put my paint back in a certain bucket, or if I want to just know when that solvent's coming through, I can feel it before I see it. Two, I like to create a little turbulence in the lines. It helps clean the sides of these hoses a little bit better. So you can feel that air starting to come through now. You can start to see it in that bucket there. Flush it out so we've got good clean solvent coming through. That looks pretty good there. And close our ball valve. And now we have pressure. We're going to turn our main air reg here coming in the pump up to 4 or 5 bar. Now you're ready to spray your guns and clean them out at the end of the day.